Hi, my name is Prithvijit and I'm from India. I wanted to go abroad for better career opportunities. That's why I decided to take the IELTS test. Uh, One of the main reasons is because it's a standardized English test which is accepted in many nations and many companies, universities worldwide. So it is a one-stop shop for many of the situations that needs an English language proof. And if I'm aware that they have a lot of test centers all across the world, especially all across India as well. And the test centers are a very nice place. It's a very calm and quiet place. There is no disturbance during the test, and even the staff are extremely polite and helpful. However, IELTS is not really a difficult test. You just have to make English a part of your daily life and not treat it as a subject, which leads to a lot of people being scared. My scores were, I would say, really good, thankfully. I had scored 8.5 overall, 7.5 in speaking and 8.5 in reading, writing and listening. The main tip that I would give to other potential candidates who are looking to take the tests are just do a lot of mock tests. Even if your English is very good, the most important thing is to finish the exam in the appropriate amount of time and just have an idea of how much time is left. So the more mock tests you do, the more it will build your confidence. And there is a lot of resources given by IELTS itself. There are also a lot of videos on YouTube and on their web pages that you can take a look at. I myself used to take a look at a lot of videos. Lastly, I would say to the potential candidates that do not be worried. It is not a very difficult test. Just consume some amount of proper English media a month before you take the test. Start watching things in English, proper English, not any random Facebook and YouTube videos. Watch the news, read the news. That is a very good source of English and that should be really nice. And just have confidence and faith in yourself. And the staff is also very helpful. So you do not have any reasons to worry. And I wish all the future test takers the very best of luck. Thank you.